Hey, what's going on, girls? It's Uncle Eric coming at you live from Chicago. Hello. Hi, Simone. Hi, Giselle. How are you guys? Happy Memorial Day weekend. I don't know. I think you guys are having a barbecue or something like that, which sounds like very yummy food. Um, so I hope you're having a ton of fun doing that, and I hope you're enjoying being 2 years old. 2 years old, really big girls. You know, you're a toddler. You're toddlers now, not no more baby stuff. So I'm just updating you on me. If you listen, can you hear this? Do you hear that? Cheep, cheep, cheep. Those are birds. You know what birds are? See this? This is a picture of a bird. See? That's a bird. Do you know, and can you make the sound birds make? Can you go cheep, 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 cheep? Hear that? And this is how you spell bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Yay. I had to write on paper towels because I don't have printer paper because no one prints anything anymore. I also have very bad handwriting. But B-I-R-D, bird. What else? Oh yeah. Your dad helped me book a trip, so I'm gonna go to France at the end of July through August in Paris, and then the south of France, and see Cannes, and I haven't totally planned it out, but then I'm gonna end in Amsterdam, and so it's gonna be a big 15-day vacation. That's Uncle Eric's biggest vacation ever. Anyway, that's about it. Just saying hello and teaching the word bird. Bird's the word. Birds. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I forgot. We have to have a dance party. Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. Hold on. Give me some time. 1 second. Okay. Well, bye, Simone. Bye, Giselle. This was not planned, but you know. Bye, guys.